Hi guys and welcome on GSM APC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to increase the screen timeout on Samsung Galaxy phones. So to do that, just go to settings and here tap on display, go down and tap on screen timeout. Now it's set on 30 seconds, but from here you can set up on 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and this is very okay if you want to read something, and as you know the screen will shut down if you don't set this time limit. So it is very easy, I guess. I hope this video to be useful for you, and when you don't need anymore the screen timeout to be 10 minutes, you can put it back on 30 or 50 seconds and save the battery. Okay, so this was for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.